Hi everybody, this is John Abel. It's November 20th, 5:30 p.m. I thought it was time to make another video here. I hadn't made one all day and you guys needed something to look at. So I came to a head in the last 10 minutes. I was finishing off my coil, trying to get it tighter and tighter, and it just wasn't looking right. There was always one here hanging off the end. It was the limp one that was a little bit loose because it was part of the last piece of, it was part of the very end, and so it was always loose while I was winding it. And I finally decided, okay, try tightening it up on another one and see what it looks like. And that's what happened. So essentially, because one of my ends was not secured with a telomere, I'm guessing that's what caused this binary system to be created. Now, I don't know what that binary system might be. It looks like a toroid, and possibly a small sphere would fit inside of that. I don't know what is shaped like a toroid in outer space. We don't, only magnetic fields are normally shaped that way. We don't have planets shaped like a donut. So if we can find that somewhere, in our universe, I haven't seen the Hubble telescope pick up anything like that yet. So this is what I'm going to attach. This is what I'm going to attach to my radio waves, and I'm going to put different frequencies through it, and I'm going to see what I can do. I can artificially create these types of waves without a magnetron. So I'm going to see what I can do with low voltage, with my own amplifiers. And if I can't get anywhere with it, yeah, I can put a 500 watt or a 1,000 watt microwave magnetron on there. At a high enough frequency, the magnetron has so many cycles. You can see, if you have any background in radio waves or sine waves or even trigonometry, you can see there's a periodic repeating function inside this structure. And if I construct that structure with the wire it is constructed with, I have a feeling that I can put energy through at those particular resonant frequencies, and I should be able to get a reaction. And that is what these experiments are all about. So whether any of this other stuff is ever going to work, I honestly don't know. I mean, this was a big breakthrough in the last 3-4 days for me. So I just, guys, it's really incredible, and I think we're going to get this done in all of our lifetimes. So if you want to be part of this, this is what we're going to do. We're going to manipulate wire to try to fit a balancing point, just like wrapping anybody who's lived on a farm who has had to roll up extension cord on a regular basis knows there's lots of kinks in there, and you got to rewrap it different ways and stuff. Essentially, we're going to be building nacelle engines, having to deal with that every day, and a lot of it, because there's a lot of twists in these. There's, it's not just one or two. There's obviously, many, close to 100 there, I'm sure. But anyway, this is what I need from my workers early on to understand this, or at least know how to build this. And then once that's done, then we can move on to the science and try to explain it a little bit better. I know what I'm giving you all through emails and stuff is haphazard, and almost sounds like the rantings of a lunatic. But you know what? If we can get this to work, I need those emails to look back on and see what my thoughts were and see what I was talking about, because I'm not writing any journals down right now, guys. These emails are all I got. So if they sound a little peculiar and they have too much information that you don't understand in them, it's because they're for me too. So I need this documentation for myself, and my reality has been changed recently, and I need all of your help. So again, let's work together and try to make this work in our lifetimes. I think this is something we all need to see, and that's all I have tonight. So you guys have a good night, and we should have more by tomorrow. So good luck, guys.